Hello, you are again welcome on KP Edu Mathematics. Today we are studying about compound interest. Yesterday we have studied multiplication of monomials. So today compound interest, चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं. Important terms about compound interest. First is principal. Principal, that is in Hindi मूलधन, denoted by P, the money borrowed or lent. Second is interest. Interest mean ब्याज, denoted by I. It is the additional money paid to the lender for the money used. And another term is rate. Rate mean dar, is denoted by R. Interest for 1 year for ₹100. This is interest for 1 year for ₹100 is called rate. Time, for which money is borrowed, this is time. Mostly it is denoted by N. And simple interest, simple interest mean when the interest is paid or calculated year on year. Amount is denoted by A, that is called मिश्रधन. मिश्रधन mean principal, मूलधन plus interest. This is called amount or मिश्रधन. First we know about simple interest. Simple interest and formula for simple interest is P R into T upon 100. That is principal into rate into time upon 100. This is formula for simple interest. Now compound interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest mean when the interest is calculated on interest with principal. प्रिंसिपल के साथ साथ जब इंटरेस्ट पे भी इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट होता है तो हम उसको कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए मैन डिपॉजिट्स ₹1000 and interest rate is 10%. Interest rate is 10% per annum. So after 1 year, he will get ₹100. That is 1000 P into 1 year into 10% per annum upon 100. So this is ₹100. Simple interest in interest. If the man does not take out his ₹100 in cash, if man does not take out this ₹100 in cash, then the bank in second year bank will pay interest on ₹1000 plus ₹100, that is on ₹1100. Mean for the next year the interest will be paid on principal and the interest earned in first year this kind of, so this kind of interest is known as compound interest. Mean after 1 year ₹100 इंटरेस्ट हुआ, बट ही नॉट टेक हिज ₹100, सो 100 रुपये में भी नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट हुआ. इस टाइप का इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट होता है. एंड दिस इज, इसको कहते हैं चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज ए क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द compound interest that is चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज कैलकुलेट करना है. गिवन है प्रिंसिपल P is ₹1000, rate, interest rate R is 12% per annum, and number of years, time is 2 years. सॉल्यूशन, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करना है. स्टेप वन, फर्स्ट स्टेप में प्रिंसिपल फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर का इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू ₹10,000. This is 10,000, not 1,000 given, but this is 10,000 is given. So principal for the first year is 10,000. Interest for the first year के लिए जो इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट होगा, दैट विल बी प्रिंसिपल इंटू रेट 12% इंटू टाइम 1 year अपॉन 100. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू ₹1200. अमाउंट एट the amount at the end of first year. After 1 year, 10,000 is principal, 1200 is interest. So amount मिश्र धन हो गया 1,000, 10,000, 11,200. This amount for the first year is the principal for the next year. Step 2 will be principal, that is मूलधन, for the second year. This will be 11,200. जो अमाउंट है एट द एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट ईयर, वो प्रिंसिपल हो जाएगा फॉर द सेकंड ईयर. सो प्रिंसिपल, सो इंटरेस्ट फॉर द सेकंड ईयर. नाउ इंटरेस्ट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड ऑन 11,200 into 12% into 1 upon 100. So this is 1300, 1344. This is 1344 interest for the second year. Then amount मिश्र धन at the end of second year will be rupees 11,200 principal plus 1,344 is interest. So amount will be, इसको प्लस कर दीजिए, 44, 325, 112, this is 1. So this is 12,544. This is interest. So compound amount. So compound interest will be this 12,544 minus initially principal was 10,000. So this is 2,544. This is the compound interest, that is चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज. Formula for calculating compound amount directly. A is P 1 plus R upon 100 power n. This is formula to calculate compound amount directly, and problems based on this formula will be uploaded tomorrow. Thank you.